Welcome back to another awesome video.
Today we've got an LED display. It's the iPixel color 32 by 32 LED pixel display. I just found out about this product. I got this for free, so I'll mark it as a paid promotion, but this is something I never would have bought. I didn't even know this thing existed. It's just a little LED display. We'll put some video over this section talking about what you can do with it in the app, and you can just display GIFs and memes and signs. I think maybe a practical use might be like a ride share, because it does run on USB and you can run it in the car, or a temporary sign. I don't know, it's just a toy really other than that. A couple interesting things about it. One is it operates over Bluetooth. A lot of these little devices you get from China, you know, you have to connect them to your Wi-Fi network. This just is a push from Bluetooth, so there's no credentials. It just pushes data right to it. Right now I've got the weather and the time alternating. This thing has a very limited amount of storage, so you can store text or pictures and stuff. So if we kill the USB power and restart it, it's gonna lose my clock and revert back to whatever was stored in one of the few memory slots, which I think is a video of the dog or some text or something. So there's some text that I'd previously stored in it. And let's see, let's go to the next one. And there's a video of my dog on there. You know, it'll downsample videos, whatever. So how did I get my clock weather thing working? Well, I have a Python script. That's kind of the cool thing about this is using my Windows Mini PC, which has a Bluetooth transmitter, it was super easy to automate this thing. So there's a library out there called pypixelcolor, which you just say, send it text, send it a video, send it an image. So I asked Google Gemini to write me a Python script, which would every 30 seconds execute a command, and one of those commands gets weather, and so I just have it cycling between weather and the clock. But anyway, that's about it for this video. What, other than a toy, can anybody out there think of a use for this thing that could be, maybe make it useful with some Python automation, like I could have it flash red when I'm on a call or something? If you can think of an idea of how to use this with some automation or something, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll put a link to an affiliate link in there in case anybody wants to buy it. But that's about it, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.